This has to be the funniest thing you'll see today. As you can see, these two cats are fighting for whatever reason. And look at this dog trying to stop these two bald cats from fighting. You can really see that he really wants to break it up, but Lil Bro definitely remembered those claws are sharper than his barks. Like, bruh. Give him a break, he just wants peace in the house and his two neighbors wants the opposite. Both of them bald cats ain't ducking no fade. Bro's literally like, yo, stop fighting, guys. We don't even pay rent here. If you were the dog, what would you do, bruh? Subscribe to see more funny animal videos like this.